Let's look at this SMD resistor, which has a marking of 23X. The marking looks a little confusing. There is a table to refer to called the EIA 96 marking rule table. Let's have a look. 23X can be broken down to 23 and X. From our table we can see that code 23 corresponds to 169. X is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of minus 1, which equals 0.1. So now we have 169 multiplied by 0.1, which is of course 16.9. So the value of our resistor is 16.9 ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.